And when we look forward to 2025,
Yes.
how is that year going to be?
It's going to be again very, very lovely because of the work that I'm doing. Also, I'll be shifting to my new house.
Wow.
So that is like, I'm still trying to come to terms with that. 2025, I'm going to be debt free. कोई लोन वोन कुछ नहीं है सर पे गाड़ी का लोन खत्म घर का लोन खत्म सब कुछ खत्म my mother she had to undergo an open heart surgery which was an absolute banger for us an absolute shock a surprise and I saw my mom's arm twist in a very very weird way and I knew that something was wrong not at all I had to take therapy
At that
time? Yes, after my mother's episode. I think this was my lowest point when it came mentally, when it came to handling things. जैसे हिंदी में ना, there are casting directors. यहाँ पे वो नहीं है.
Hello and welcome to News 18 Shosha. Today we have with us the very gorgeous, the very talented and the sweet little Amruta Khanvilkar with us. Thank you.
I like the sweet little. Sweet young bhi chalta.
How are you, Amruta? How are you doing?
I'm really well. Thank you so much.
The fact that we're almost twinning.
Yes.
It was genuinely not planned.
Yeah.
It just
but
happened.
It's good. You know, good vibes, good people just attract each other like that.
I agree. Amruta, we are in December 2024.
Yes.
How was the year for you? You've been busy.
I have been busy. Two of my shows, actually three of my shows kind of came out and personally also it was quite challenging. Of course, we'll come to that in detail. But in all, a good year. Yeah. Right now, when I'm sitting in December in front of you, I would say that it has been a very nice year. Yeah.
Fantastic. If you had to describe the whole year in just one word, what would it be?
Challenging, full of gratitude, and something amazing to look forward to.
Absolutely. And when we look forward to 2025,
yes,
how is that year going to be?
It's going to be again very, very lovely because of the work that I'm doing. Also, I'll be shifting to my new house.
Wow.
So that is like, I'm still trying to come to terms with that. And I'm really proud of the journey till today. 2025, I'm going to be debt free. कोई लोन वोन कुछ नहीं है सर पे गाड़ी का लोन खत्म घर का लोन खत्म सब कुछ खत्म my mom is in a better health and I think in totality I would say it is going to be a better year than 2024. Yeah,
definitely. You clearly mentioned about your mother over here.
Yes.
And you did go through a little bit of a turmoil in 2024 because of that.
Yes.
Managing work as well as her health.
Yes.
Can you tell us how was that period like for you?
So that period was like I said that 2025 is also going to be full of gratitude and 2024 sitting in December I'm full of gratitude is because work was happening, work which I had done about 2-3 years back. Everything had come together and Lutere was showcasing on Hotstar. Then 36 Days came on Sony Live. And then Chacha Vidhayake with my absolute favorite Zakir Khan. I did that. And a few of my Marathi films released. And my mother, she had to undergo an open heart surgery, which was an absolute banger for us, an absolute shock, a surprise, because mid-2024, we were traveling to Bangkok and I saw my mom's arm twist in a very, very weird way. And I knew that something was wrong. We came back, we did her ECG and everything, and we found that she had 95% blockages in her heart.
Okay.
And this is a woman I'm talking about who never had to take a pill for anything. She doesn't have diabetes, God's grace, no blood pressure, nothing. And out of nowhere, we discovered that she had 95% of blockages. Padma Shri, Dr. Ramakant Panda, who owns the Asian Heart Institute in BKC. I don't know how miraculously we got his appointment. Otherwise, unki appointments 6 mahine
I know,
tak
it's
nahi
full.
milti hai.
It's full.
We sat in front of him and he looked at my mother's report and he was like, we need to do an open heart surgery. Now this, I'm talking about a woman who's never even gone to a doctor for say ki weakness ho gaya to saline chadha lo. Max to max, she's gone for her say menopause या फिर थोड़ा बहुत fever हो गया.
General stuff.
मतलब general stuff, general physician. We've never even seen a specialist for her. And from that, I think June, July, she kind of got operated. But getting his appointment, going through the whole surgery, she coming out of it, मतलब मैं कभी कभी मम्मी को कहती हूँ कि आपको बहुत वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट मिला है. There was no episode of any cardiac arrest. There was no episode of any heart attack. She went on walking. She was in the ICU for 3 to 4 days. General ward mein, she was there for 7, 8 days. She came out walking, and I think that was like, a bullet we just missed.
I know, I understand.
And I think parallelly, I was also buying a house, in the process of buying a house, which was absolutely debt free, which was a big thing for me. I didn't want to buy a house taking a loan, which could, burden me furthermore. So that was going on. And I don't know how these two things just, came together. And right now, sitting in December, her health is well. I'm going to be shifting into a new house. So God has been absolutely kind.
Things fell in place
Yes,
eventually
they
for you.
did,
You know,
yes.
now that we speak about this, you are at least able to speak about this, right?
Yes, healthily.
Healthily, exactly my
Yes.
point. So, but it definitely wasn't an easy time for you as well, you know?
Not at all. I had to take therapy.
At that time?
Because, yes, after my mother's episode, because it was too much for me, I mean,
Overwhelming.
she is the center of my universe and I'm her center. And to not listen to her voice for the 3 days that she was in the ICU, it really shook me. I mean, my little one, my younger sister, in fact, she was very, very strong. I don't remember those 3 days. And, then after that, of course, I had to talk to somebody. I had to seek out some help. And then I'm fine right now.
No, no, absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, but apart from these, I mean, this is definitely one of the biggest learning and one of
Yes,
the biggest
it
shocks
is.
that you faced. How do you usually deal with challenges and low points in your life?
I think this was my lowest point when it came mentally, when it came to handling things, because, I think death or somebody close to you or your loved ones being in an ICU, I think that really shakes all the fundamentals and all the foundations that you have. And I think for me, my mother is everything. And that kind of really shook me. Otherwise, your career low points and everything, I think you just need to keep a little bit of patience. When you're younger, of course, you try everything. You kind of throw tantrums, you throw your weight around and this and that. And of course, work comes in, then you are kind of normal. But these things, they really are a testament, I feel, to your patience, to things that you hold on to your beliefs and, to your entire system, I feel. And this low point of my life with my mother, I think I only saw the positives after she came out of the hospital, because it could have gone south at any point of time.
Of course.
At any point of time. I mean, we were informed when she was cut open. We were informed when she was sewed up. We were informed about every little thing. And just to imagine that just 2 days back, I am with her in our house having a chai and, my mother was being cut open. I think everything just...
It flashes in front
it
of you.
flashes. Your life just flashes in front of you. Also, we have a history of heart problems in our family, apparently. This is what the doctor told me when she came out and he was talking to me कि आपको भी checkup करना चाहिए. I'm like, sir, एक मिनट ना रुक जाओ जरा. Let me just take her. हाँ, इसको संभाल लूँ, अपने आप को अभी संभाल लूँ, फिर देख लेंगे. That's the thing. But I lost my Masi. She was literally, वो कहते हैं ना, next to kin करके after my mother.
I know, of course.
So we lost her to a heart attack. So everything was just like, what if things go south? But why I'm saying that only positive things came after my mom's operation is because I started looking at life. I started looking at my work in a very, very different way. Like till November, I had no jobs, literally. I was sitting home and I was thinking, okay, abhi kya kare? Because I was also taking therapy and coming out of a lot of these mental things. But November, I don't know from where work came in, and I'm doing 2 really big shows on Hindi OTT platforms, and I'm doing a Marathi film, and I'm busy till March. So there is anything that can happen, just a little bit of faith and just a little bit of patience and you're there.
Absolutely. And in keeping this in mind, if you had to tell me one thing that you learned from this year, would that be patience number one?
Yeah, but I think more than that, I think जो आपके नसीब में है ना, वो कहीं नहीं जाता.
Very true.
I think I've come to terms with that in the strongest कहता है ना कि मतलब in bold capital letters. This is something that has this time that I went through in the last 6-7 months has taught me this कि आपके नसीब का जो है वो कोई नहीं लेकर जा सकता.
That's true.
I was sitting in my home doing nothing, and from nowhere, without any audition, these 2 jobs came, and I'm working. And that is amazing.
That's very true.
Yeah.
Amrita, you know, what we know about you a little as well is that you've been born and raised in a joint family as well,
Yes.
right? How is that? You clearly mentioned that, you know, like your Masi being very close to like
Yes.
someone, your mother itself, right?
Yes.
So how has it been and how has that impacted you once in your growing years? And as a professional, how does it help
I
you?
come from a very middle class Maharashtrian background. So as girls, we were put a lot of restrictions, not from my mom and dad, but एक general family का होता है ना, उनका अपना अपना एक रवैया होता है, उनका अपना एक तरीका होता है चीजें करने का, अपनी family को बढ़ाने का. But I think I have to give it to my mom and dad because we were in a joint family where when we were in Mumbai, मेरा जन्म जो है वो मुंबई का है.
Correct.
But again, we shifted to Pune. So when we shifted to Pune, I think my dad and mom, you know, वो भी कुछ सीख रहे थे कि अच्छा अपनी बच्चियों को कैसे बड़ा करे. So after the 93 bomb blast in Mumbai, my dad got a little scared and, you know, he was like, you know, because तीनों औरतें हैं मेरे यहाँ पे, तो maybe I need to shift to a safer place. So Pune is the place that where we shifted. And from there, I think he never said anything to me and my younger sister. He always treated us like boys. And he was always very supportive of whatever we wanted to do in our lives. Of course, I have to give it to both my parents कि जब मैं 18 साल की थी, तब I left Pune and I came to Mumbai to try my luck in the film fraternity. And he sent mom with me. So since the time I was 18, she's with me, traveling with me, coming on shoots, handling my work, handling everything. And I think that is amazing. अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा joint family में रहती तो शायद ये possible नहीं होता. And also there were a lot of boys in our family. So girls were treated a little differently. Yeah. But of course, that's like bygones now.
Of course, and things have definitely changed.
Yes, of
And in the
course,
future, it's going to be different as well.
And my father and my mom, I think they were very progressive like that. Yeah.
That's a very good thing.
Yeah.
You know, coming back to work and talking about Marathi industry predominantly, when we spoke to other actors within the industry,
Yes.
the one big point that they pointed out for this year, and I think in the recent years, has been that there's been a dearth of good scripts.
Yes.
Do you feel the same as an actor?
Of course. And also the scripts that are being approached. I mean, for example, if an actor, be it a male or a female, does a titular role, what happens is the industry keeps having these notions कि अच्छा अब तो वो 4-5 सीन का या फिर
Correct. Small roles नहीं करेगी.
Small roles नहीं करेगी या फिर now she started to work in Hindi, पता नहीं अभी मराठी करेगी या नहीं करेगी. And these are these self-inflicted notions. These are not कि हम उनको कोई phone करके बताते हैं, listen now we are not going to do these kind of roles. It's not that. But then I also don't kind of blame them. It's because you know, when an actor or an actress does a titular role, I think कहीं ना कहीं, you know, वो intimidating हो जाता है लोगों के लिए. Because see, Marathi films are made in a very, very small budget.
True.
तो भाई जिसका budget ही 1.5 से 2 करोड़ हो, तो वो क्या ही किसी, you know, titular role वाले किसी बंदे को या बंदी को क्या ही पूछेगा. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Maybe I'm wrong, you know. But yeah, good scripts are not being made, and if they are being made, definitely they are not being offered to me maybe, and to my fellow actors and actresses. Yeah.
You know, has there been any auditions that you've been through? You know?
Yeah, all the time. So auditions is something that I've never stopped going
Of course.
Yes.
No, I understand.
So I keep doing auditions. अब ये जो 2 काम मुझे मिले, thankfully they are not through auditions, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं मैंने इनके लिए इन casting directors के लिए audition किया होगा.
Of course,
तो
but
वो,
they've liked you.
चलो इसका भी audition देख लो, इसका भी audition देख लो. But even today, self tests are something that I send. I go and I make it a point that, you know, self test ना हो कि आप के ऑफिस में मैं आ जाती हूँ और आप देख लो ये audition. Because वो एक जो you know, एक ऑडिशन से पहले 10-15 मिनट का जो एक्सचेंज होता है कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर और एक्टर के बीच में, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट क्रैक्स द ऑडिशन. एंड अगर यू नो मुझे भी थोड़ा समझ में आ जाता है कि व्हाट इज इट गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ, यू नो, कि कौन से जॉनर का क्या चल रहा है सब कुछ. तो एक 10-15 मिनट उस कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर के साथ आपको पता लग जाता है कि ऐसे ऐसे शोज कुछ बन रहे हैं.
Definitely.
But auditions is something that I never say no to. Yeah.
Of course. No, my question was, has there been any audition that you've been through, and you've not got that role and you've seen somebody else getting that role?
Yes.
And when you see that role, you feel कि यार इससे better I could have done.
इससे बेटर तो नहीं, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसा तो बहुत हुआ है कि मैंने अपने फेलो एक्ट्रेसेस को ही बहुत देखा है कि मैंने
Of
एक
course.
ऑडिशन मैं क्रैक नहीं कर पाई और वो कहीं और चला गया. बट व्हेन यू सी इट एज अ होल ना, मतलब पहले लगता था जब मैं काफी यंग थी, तो ऐसा काफी यंग मतलब अभी भी यंग हूँ,
Of
बट
course.
जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो शिट यार ये उसके पास चला गया
I
यार,
know.
यार ये अगर मेरे पास होता तो कितना मजा आ जाता. एंड देन आपको ऐसा लग ही सकता है, बट टुडे आई हैव कम टू रियलाइज दैट ऐसा नहीं होता. एक तो शायद उसके नसीब में भी था, एंड मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि उस डायरेक्टर का अपना एक विजन है उस कैरेक्टर के लिए, एंड शायद ये ज्यादा फिट होती है या ये ज्यादा फिट होता है, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. इतना ही होता है. इफ यू स्टार्ट गिविंग इट अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, तो मतलब आप अपना काम कब करोगे? It's as simple as that.
Were you ever envious of any of your co-actors?
A lot of times. I'm not going to name those actors
Of course
and
not.
actresses.
Of course
Yeah, but
not.
a lot of times. Yes.
Yeah. And how do you overcome these insecurities?
Then I have to remind myself that hello, you're not living her or his life. You're living your own life. And अगर वहाँ पे ज्यादा ध्यान चला गया, who's going to live your life then? और ऐसा होता है काफी टाइम. आपको जेलसी होती है, आपको एनवी होती है, एंड देन यू फील इनसिक्योर. बट यू डील विद इट. you have to deal with it. मतलब मैं सोचती हूँ कि yes, we are in an industry where भटकन बहुत होती है, बहुत ज्यादा. अब भटकते ही रह जाओगे तो आप अपनी लाइफ और अपना करियर कैसे संभाल पाओगे?
That's true.
और भटकन भी होती है. मैं भी बहुत भटकी हूँ पर्सनली, प्रोफेशनली, बट आई हैव टू रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ टू कम बैक.
That's true.
मतलब वो होता है ना कि कभी कभी आप सल्क करते हो और आप पूरा एक टब ऑफ आइसक्रीम खा सकते हो, लेकिन आप दूसरे दिन वो चीज नहीं कर सकते भाई.
That's true.
तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट.
So you quickly move on.
Yeah, you have to move on. Otherwise, you are only wasting your time. If you have to waste your time, great, do that. You will eventually have to come back to your path.
That's true.
तो जो चीज मैं 10 दिन के बाद करने वाली हूँ, मैं एक ही दिन में कर लेती हूँ.
That's very true.
Today I ask myself कि अमृता, is this going to matter to you in a year, in 2 years, in 5 years? No, move on, chalo. Is this person going to matter to you? No, move on, chalo. Is this audition that you have failed or have not been called for? चलो ठीक है, तुम सल्क कर रही हो, ग्रेट, ओके. 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 3 दिन, चौथे दिन तो you will have to do what you are doing ना. You will have to go to an audition. अगर मैं बोल दूं कि यार ये फिल्म मुझे नहीं मिली, अब मैं 1 साल ऑडिशन नहीं करूंगी, किसका 1 साल बर्बाद हुआ?
Yes.
So with time I have come to realize this. और अभी तो मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है. अभी तो इतनी ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, बिकॉज OTT खुल गया लोगों के लिए. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि टीवी है, फिल्म्स है या रियलिटी शो है. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वर्क हैपनिंग. द इंटरनेशनल मार्केट इज उनकी जो बाउंड्रीज थी, उनकी जो रेखाएं थी, वो ब्लर होती जा रही है. टुडे यू कैन वर्क एनीवेयर, इन एनी लैंग्वेज, इन एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट.
That's true. Everything has become pan-Indian.
Exactly my point. फिर किसके पास टाइम है कि यार ये मेरी अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये नहीं मिली मेरे को. पहले तो ऐसा होता था कि एक ही फिल्म है, इसके लिए सब लोग ऑडिशन कर रहे हैं. कि कुछ ही फिल्में बनती थी. आज तो सभी कुछ ब्लर हो गया ना भाई.
That's very true. No doubt. Coming to Marathi industry again, where do you think or what do you think is lacking that you as an artist feels that, this is something that we should focus on in 2025 and improve?
See, जैसे हिंदी में ना, there are casting directors. यहाँ पे वो नहीं है. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं है. That bridge is not there. Here everybody knows everyone. ठीक है. अच्छा, because exactly, the community is also like the industry is also very small. तो सबको सब लोग पता है. अवार्ड फंक्शंस में इधर उधर एक दूसरे को आप मिल ही लेते हो, ठीक है. बट वो कास्टिंग वाली जो चीज है ना कि यार इस फिल्म के लिए अभी कास्टिंग हो रही है, तो चलिए सबका ऑडिशन कर लेते हैं, है ना. तो वो चीज नहीं है.
That one process is not there.
Yeah, that process is not there.
You think that will smoothen things up for you?
Of course. I think for me, no. Also for the youngsters. I think people who want to do something in the Marathi film industry, it will. किसी को पता ही नहीं होता है कि क्या हो रहा है, किधर हो रहा है.
So you mean it's a little close-knit?
Very, very. And फिर कहीं आप पार्टी में मिलते हो and अभी इनिशियली तो आप थोड़ा सा थोड़ा इंटिमिडेटेड फील करते हो कि कैसे पूछे यार कि कुछ काम है क्या। अब तो मैं बिंदास कि अरे यार तेरी किसी फिल्म का कुछ चल रहा है क्या, तो मैं आके ऑडिशन कर लेती हूँ। मतलब आज मराठी में देयर इज सम नेम,
Of course,
मेरा
of course.
थोड़ा बहुत तो नाम है, बट फिर भी मैं पूछ लेती हूँ बिकॉज कुछ हो तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा। जैसे कुछ कुछ डायरेक्टर्स के साथ मुझे काम करना है, लाइक रवि के साथ मैंने काफी टाइम पहले काम किया था, फिर एक एड में ही काम किया, बट आई विल स्टिल गो एंड आस्क हिम।
Of course, of course.
प्रसाद है, आई विल स्टिल गो एंड आस्क हिम। राजेश मापुस्कर है, सो आई विल गो एंड आस्क देम। नागराज मंजुळे है, सो आई विल गो एंड आस्क देम कि कुछ है क्या, मैं आके ऑडिशन करूं। चल ना, नहीं पसंद आया नहीं पसंद है, फाइन, ओके, आई विल
Let me
एटलीस्ट
just
गेट
try.
टू हैव दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद देम।
You clearly mentioned those lines and language barriers being blurred out.
Correct.
But there is also perception na jahan pe once you enter the Hindi film industry or do something else apart from Marathi, they feel that you will not get back to Marathi industry.
Yeah.
How do you work on that?
I don't know यार। वही है, जाके बात करो। लोगों को ऐसे लगता है, जो लोग पता नहीं अपने ही कुछ नोशंस में अटक गए हैं कि नहीं वो अभी काम ही नहीं करेगी। अब मेरे ये 2 हिंदी शोज आ जाएंगे ना, दे विल फील लाइक कि अरे नहीं, बट यू वर बिजी, हॉटस्टार पे आपने किया लुटेरे, आपने सोनी लिव पे 36 डेज किया। मैंने कहा तो वो तो 2 साल पहले शूट हो गया भाई, वो तो रिलीज अभी हो रहा है। शूटिंग के लिए तो मैं फ्री हूँ, बट नो, यू हैव टू कीप अप्रोचिंग पीपल। यू हैव टू, एज एन एक्टर, इट इज योर जॉब टू गो मीट पीपल। इट इज टू बी आउट देयर। दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डू।
So
of course, I have my phases where I don't want to do it. क्योंकि थक जाते हो आप यार।
That's true.
But yeah, you have to be at it continuously. Keep hammering, keep hammering, keep hammering. What kind of roles do you want to do? Keep hammering, that's it.
I understand. So you also believe that just your hard work will not get you there? You have to be out and about and seen as well?
But that is also hard work. अगर आप किसी से मिलते हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर पुटिंग एफर्ट्स इनटू इट।
Of course.
ठीक है, आप किसी का टाइम लेते हो, आप जाके मिलते हो, आप बातचीत करते हो, कॉफी पे मिलो, डिनर पे मिलो, लंच पे मिलो, ऑफिस में जाके मिलो, ये भी तो हार्ड वर्क ही है ना। बट इट इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ योर जॉब। यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि आपको घर बैठे काम नहीं मिलेगा। देयर आर पीपल जिनको घर बैठे काम मिल जाता है, ग्रेट, कुडोस टू यू, आई मीन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग राइट। बट जिनको नहीं मिल रहा है, दे विल हैव टू गो आउट ना। अब मुझे मिल भी रहा है और नहीं भी मिल रहा है, आई मीन बिटवीन।
In between. I understand.
बट मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आपको एफर्ट लेनी चाहिए। आई एम अ गो गेटर, so I will take those efforts. It's as simple.
I understand. How important do you feel is social media in today's day?
Very.
As an actor.
Oh, as an actor, मुझे लगता है social media is great for brands. Okay. But of course, without social media, मतलब आज तक मैंने जो shows किए, तो कभी-कभी आप लुक टेस्ट के लिए जाते हो, तो वो कहते हैं हमको ये वाला लुक चाहिए आपका।
Yeah.
मैंने कहा ओ अच्छा, ये मेरा ही लुक मुझे ही दिखा रहे हैं, दैट्स द थिंग। बट आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो। यू कैन यूज सोशल मीडिया टू योर बेस्ट बेनिफिट, आई फील।
Okay.
क्योंकि कोई जाके आपको गूगल नहीं करता आजकल। अमृता खानविलकर, अच्छा देखो तो
Instagram
अच्छा,
pages, Twitter pages.
ओके, सारी पिक्चर्स, यू वांट सारी पिक्चर्स, हाँ ये यहाँ पे सारी पिक्चर्स है। सो ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ।
अच्छा, okay.
बट इट इज ग्रेट फॉर ब्रांड बिल्डिंग। It is absolutely great for brand building. As a brand, if you want to utilize it, it's a great platform. As an actor, I don't know. I'm 50-50 there. That's the thing.
So how real do you stay on social media?
Very real. Matlab, I don't super edit my pictures. Whatever is there. And मुझे अच्छा लगता है गेट रेडी विथ मी करना, कि आज मैंने ये साड़ी पहनी है वगैरह वगैरह। इट्स फन यार, मतलब अच्छा लगता है। या एंड देन योर फैंस आल्सो काइंड ऑफ कनेक्ट विथ यू, सो इट्स अ ग्रेट स्पेस टू बी।
That's true. At one point of time, if I have to say, back then it used to be, stars used to be a little aspirational, कहाँ मिलेंगे, कब मिलेंगे. But I think because of social media these days, stars relate to you. I mean, fans also relate to you in a more relatable way. And that has become very important.
उसके pros and cons भी बहुत है. मतलब trolling is a con.
That's very true.
And pro is that yeah, you get to be yourself.
That's very true. And they feel that they know you.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
Yeah.
So how do you just mentioned about trolls, and how do you deal with them?
Delete and block. That's the best way to.
They affect you even now?
They do. When I'm in my low, when I doubt myself and everything, they do affect me. But then when I'm out there hustling, when I'm out there promoting my film, they don't.
So have you ever addressed them?
I have, yes. There are mean comments.
Of course.
I don't, for me, those typical sexual comments and typical ganda, gali galoch trolling is a big no. I report to the cybercrime and people, and they take care of it. Yeah, but they are a big no to me.
Absolutely. How important is to maintain these kind of...
See, I'll tell you why it's a big no for me. I think as a person, as a woman, it's a big no for me. Not as an actress. अगर मैं actress नहीं भी होती ना,
Of
तो
course.
भी
Of course.
it was a big no for me. Like there has to be a boundary with anybody, with anybody who I meet also, normally. There has to be a boundary. You cannot do a comment, just put your hand over my shoulder. No, you can't do that. As a girl, मैं actress नहीं भी होती ना, तो भी मेरा रवैया ऐसा ही होता.
That's has to be a boundary.
ये बदतमीजी ना करो मेरे साथ.
Absolutely, no doubt. You know, has there been any situation जहाँ पे a fan has come to you and irked you?
Of course. एक तो ये सेल्फी लेने के चक्कर में ये इतना पास में आ जाता है, मैं तो धक्का मार देती हूँ. मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि अगर मैं एक्ट्रेस भी नहीं होती ना, तो भी मैं यही करती. अगर नॉर्मली भी अगर किसी को चाहिए कि फोटो लो या जो भी है, आजकल तो नॉर्मल लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा हो गया कि सुंदर लड़की है तो जाके एक फोटो ले लेते. तो द वे दे कम क्लोज टू मी, नहीं, this is my
That's
space.
my
don't,
space.
Yeah, don't
Of
come
course,
here.
I understand. Okay, coming to 2025, before we just have a few more questions for you. What can we expect from you? We know definitely that we're going to see you in a different role.
Yes. So there is a little... you can see action from me, a high drama series from me. Then there is one romantic film that I'm doing. And I'm prepping for one more film of mine. I hope कि, next year uska shooting हो जाए. So it's a very fitness heavy film.
Wow.
वो एक है. And I want to do my own show for YouTube. I want to do a podcast for my YouTube. So that is something that I'm doing. There is this dance show that I'm doing, dance theater show that I'm doing, World of Three. So it's kind of traveling abroad. So yeah, that is that.
Okay, so you're going to be busy, absolutely busy.
Yeah, and I want to do a nice full girls trip abroad somewhere with my girls. Yeah.
How big are you on travel?
Very big, Baba. मुझे तो कोई पैसे देके कहीं बुला ले, मैं तो अभी निकल जाऊँ. But I love traveling. I love it. And I love to do it with my own people. I have different groups that I travel with. One is my sister, and I travel. Very recently, about 2-3 months back, I traveled to Mauritius with her.
Right.
Then I have my girls that I love traveling with, having brunches and lunches and dinners and stuff like that. Then Himanshu and me kind of travel. His and my travel is very spiritual. Like
I understand.
Yeah. So that is there. And that's about it.
One last question to you. Spirituality is something that you mentioned right now. And we know that you follow your religious...
Yes.
You're very serious about it, right?
Yes, I am very serious.
When people come to you, especially on social media and stuff and all, and people talk about these kind of faiths and superstition a lot, right? How do you take this?
I am superstitious to a level where it doesn't bother anyone and it doesn't bother me also. Like mama kabhi kabhi kala dhaga bandh deti hai. So that is something, I see that act as a love of act, as an act of love.
Act of love,
Sorry,
yeah.
As an act of love. And to chalo, मैं कर लेती हूँ. Mondays and Thursdays I kind of observe fast. It's also good for me. एक detoxification हो जाता है. But Swami Samartha is somebody I term as my guru. And मैं महादेव जी की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. फैन मतलब भक्त हूँ. ऐसा कहने में हर्ज नहीं है. And so Mondays is something कि मैं अभिषेक करना या फिर जल चढ़ाना शिव जी को, ये सब मैं कर लेती हूँ. But for me... this is a path that I have discovered and I'm walking on it. I don't preach it. I don't kind of, किसी पे लादना नहीं चाहती हूँ मैं. मेरी मम्मा उनका एक अलग spiritual path है, मेरा एक अलग spiritual path है. and whatever I follow, only I follow.
Of course.
I don't, हाँ, of course, कोई आके मुझसे किसी के बारे में बात करे तो मैं बात कर लेती हूँ. But I don't choose to, kind of
preach.
Yeah, preach it. Not at all.
Absolutely.
It's a very personal journey.
And everybody has their own journey,
yes,
right?
Yes.
And that's to be that.
Yes.
On that note, thank you so much,
Thank
Amrita.
you so much.
Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking to you,
Thank
and
you.
we really hope that you have an even busier year.
Thank
ahead.
you so much. Thank you. And
Thank
Happy
you.
New Year to you.
Thank you so much.
Hi there, this is Amrita Khanvilkar, and firstly wishing you all a very, very happy new year. You guys are watching me on News 18 Shosha.